Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is very important. Watch this video up to end. Don't miss any part of this video. In this video, I will explain to you how to upload a video on your YouTube channel. First of all, you should be open the Gmail account on which account you created the YouTube channel. Come to the Google Chrome and open the Google Chrome, and you can see here YouTube Studio. Type the YouTube Studio and click on the first link. This is the Gmail account on which one account? I have created the YouTube channel on this Gmail account. Click on it. You can see here, this is my channel dashboard. You can see here. You can search anything from here and click on the create option and then click on the upload video. You can see here, first option, and click on the select file button and select your video. Select this one and click on the open button. The uploading will start here. You can see here. First of all, you type the title. You can see here uploading video has been started. And this is the your description, your default description. I have typed this description and my default option. You can see here. Go to the setting and go to the default, and you can see here this one is default sentences. These sentences will connect and will show with every type of your video, every type of your uploading video. Click on the upload thumbnail, and you can see here the uploading of thumbnail has been started. Click on the no kid one option. Scroll down. Take this one option. Automatic chapter will created. You can also create the chapter, or you can also take this one option. Automatically create will chapter. Take this one option, and this is the tag. This is the important option here. You can see. Now go to the first of all to create the title or to create the description. This is the default description. Every video consists this default description. Every video consists this one default description. Go to the ChatGPT. First of all, give me the title. Give me best title for the Get Into PC website. You can see here, this is the default title. I want to select the 8-1 title. You can see here, Get Into PC website, full overview, future and benefit. I want to select the 8-1 title. You can see here, copy and paste here. And then go to the ChatGPT again, give me the description from here about the Get Into PC, full overview, feature and benefit about this one. Give me best description about this topic. And you can see here, this is the description about the Get Into PC website, full overview. Copy this description. Copy it. Copy this one and go to the description option and paste here. You can see I have pasted the description. You can enter the up to 500 words here in your description. Go to the tag. First of all, give the title name and the tag, and then go to the ChatGPT and ask from the ChatGPT, give me most visited tags, 10 most visited tags. It will give you the most visited tag about the Get Into PC. You can see here, copy this one and paste in the tag option. You can see the tag has been separated by the comma. And scroll down again, take this one and these two options, this one option, to select this one categories option, because my channel is about the science and technology. You can also choose the gaming, news, anyone, and select this one option and then click on the next button. And video element, come here and add an end screen. Click on the add button. I will add a screen this one, and click on the save button, and click on the next button to check. The check will complete after uploading your video. You can see here your video has been uploaded up to 7%, and click on the public option, and then click on the publish button. Select the public option and finally click on the publish button. Click on it. So in short, in this video, I have explained to you how to upload a video on your YouTube channel. If you have any question about this one video, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.